This monitor arm is awesome, and I'm only using one. The other one is the factory stand. So that's how I do it. It is also connected to the Sony camera here, which is on a mini slider. Of course, the main usage is to act as my main monitor. It is connected under my desk to the hub. Very flexible, goes up and down. The best part is the cable management. As you can see, there's a screw there. You can take this cover off and pop this one out. It doesn't require tools to do it. And all the cables are very well organized. I have four actually. So one power cable, one HDMI, two HDMI, and one USB extension cable. So it also acts as my camera monitor. So I turn it on and switch the input to HDMI 2, then I will be able to view whatever the camera sees. And this is my most recent purchase on Amazon. Is this ball mount. So I can do very smooth adjustments. Like this. It's acting as my tripod, and it's sitting on top of the standing desk. And this thing is also connected to the hub, which is providing power, as well as my file reader, my card reader. So after I take the shot, I can access the footage from the